Hello, this is Lem, and I am with the Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAC, and today we'll be going over how to make an appointment with the new system, TracCloud. When you're logging into the system, there's a few things that you should keep in mind. One of them is that if you are already logged into the mymcc.monroecc.edu, if you already logged into that and you used your Microsoft credential to access the portal, then automatically as soon as you hit the button to go into the Tutoring Center, you should be logged in automatically. If not, then you can just navigate over to monroecc.trac.cloud and you will be notified to enter your Microsoft credentials and you should be able to access the system as intended. Once you're signed into the TracCloud environment, you will see your name displayed on the upper left-hand corner. Also, on the left-hand side, you will see some information in regards to making that appointment, including how to cancel an appointment should you become unavailable for it. On the right-hand side, you will see the Schedule an Appointment tab. If it's not open, go ahead and click on the Schedule an Appointment tab, and you should see 3 different fields that you will have to fill out. On the first field, you will see 2 choices. One of them is to find the first available immediately. What I mean by this is to find the first available tutor. The second option that you have there is to schedule an appointment with a tutor for a specific date. My recommendation is that you go ahead and find the first available tutor so that you can meet with that person as soon as possible. On the second drop-down tab, you will find all the courses that you have registered for the upcoming semester. Go ahead and pick the course that you're having some difficulties with, and we'll move on to the third and last field. On the second drop-down, I chose English as the subject that I need help with. On the third drop-down, I selected Writing Help, since it's related to the course that I need help with. Since I selected Writing Help for my English paper, an additional pop-up menu will come up for you. This menu will contain different options for you that you can pick from. In this particular case, I am going to pick Brainstorming. Once you're done with all 3 drop-down fields, go ahead and click on the search option to see your results. This menu will contain your first available tutor. Double check the date and time to see if it's convenient for you. If it is, just click on that option. If it's not, click on the Load More option to see other available tutors. Once you have made your selection, you will see a menu that contains your start time, end time, and duration of your appointment. I highly suggest that you fill out the student additional remarks. This will let the tutor know what you want to see them for, and you can also convey additional information that you want to cover during your appointment. Once you're done adding additional information to the student additional remarks, go ahead and click on the Confirm button. This will confirm the appointment and send out a notification to both yourself and the tutor of the upcoming appointment. Please note that in order to get out of this menu, you will have to manually hit the close button.